Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a quick video update on my salad mining. I recently just watched the Extreme Will posted the video, so if you missed it, go watch his video. But it's basically about WSL update and the 1.79 update. And somebody left the comment on my previous salad video and about what I was telling about, like, you cannot download salad under the last release. Let me see if they already updated. Probably, yeah. See, it's still old 1.73 here version, 1.78 version here, so you can't directly download from website. If you go there, click on salad and click on download, you'll be downloading 1.78 version, which is kind of odd because it's usually you would download the latest, right? So at this point it doesn't work. So when you are in a miner, you can go to Discord salad, just search for salad. You're gonna find that pretty quickly. There's one just available there, and they posted there in announcements this salad 1.79 release, and there is a link to update this version. So let's click on the link, see where we're gonna go, continue to download. Okay, so it just goes directly to download. So yes, it's downloading directly from the so you have to have like Discord on your machine, which is not convenient, or you can download and probably email to your machine. Anyways, just want to kind of point it out that there is a way to download if you don't see on your salad like a message there to upgrade. I already upgraded every single machine, and also I subbed for the messages. So basically I'm receiving like high demand messages for my 3080s, 3090 and 4070 Ti machines, like once they become in priority, so I could look it up and see. Now let's look what's right now actually in the moderate. It's 5090, 4090 are on top of the list. My 4070 here in the middle, which I'm not using. I'm mining on Wardock right now. And then I have 3080 Ti there at the bottom, and 5080s, 5070s are all in the low. Whoa, okay. Where's my 3080? Oh, right there. It's wow. It's even better in the list than 5080. Even though, let's see, 5080 actually doing less than 3080. That doesn't make any sense to me, but it is what it is. Okay, well let's review real quick. So this is my first rig, is 3090. I never seen this 3090 reward. So Extreme Will posted video that his 3093 machines doing nothing. And to be honest, lately what I'm noticing is my highest rewards on 3090s. I never seen on 3090s nothing like that. I'm gonna show you 3090 in 30 days. And this is it right there, and you can tell like lately I never got $5 a day on 3090, and I got it like a couple days ago, and now it's almost to $4 already a day. Before, my highest was $2.50 to $2.20, you know. So it was off for a day, didn't pick up any jobs. I did update, so yeah, without actually being said, I did go ahead and update WSL file. So you go open your window PowerShell, click WSL, type WSL space 2 dashes and then update. So when you do this command and click enter, it basically checking the version, the latest version. So the most recent version of Windows subsystem for Linux is already installed. So that means your system is good to go. But if your WSL file is old, it will update your subsystem for Linux for WSL. Okay. So that's Windows subsystem for Linux. I guess it stands for WSL. So make sure you get that latest update. I checked all of my machines. There are 2 was up to date, and 8 others were not, so I did update all of them. But this didn't change. It's still in the pretty good 10 to 22 cents, which actually I'm closer to 22 cents, which is very, very nice to see on 3090. So 4070 Ti, I'm doing Warthog right now with Jellyfish combination, as you may know, for my machine running. So I only have 6 machine running on the Salad, and it's actually performing a little bit better than all 10. So I am getting close to like $8 to $10, which I was able to get only with 10 machines. So now I'm doing that with 6, and I think it's better because I free up some internet usage by not using all of the machines. So it looks like 3080 Ti done loading job, so hopefully it will get something pretty soon. My 3080 here doing nothing. My 4 machine is nothing. 5, 6, and 7 on Warthog, and then this one running 3080. So this number 8 rig, I have the problem with GPU disconnecting, and it's right now it's mining something at ridiculous like 0.0020, which is really not doing anything. And then my machine number 9, showing actively running the job. It was just showing 2 to 5 cents like typically. It doesn't show right now for some reason. And this number 10 showing 2 to 5, which is very standard for 3080. Let's find those 2 machines. They're 8 and 9 is DDB3. Let's select DDB3, B3, and DD right there. So they've been running pretty good lately, and then they dropped for like a day, but now looks like they're picking up. They're picking up, hopefully, yeah. And then what other machines I'm mining right now with the number 1 and 3. So that's AD, and AO, and 81. AD, AO, 80 and 81. So looks like AD is pretty stable, $1 a day. What's AD? I already forgot. Okay, so 3080 Ti, very stable, not a lot, but doing stably like for the last 5 or 6 days, $1.30 a day, which is, this is okay. I mean, like if it's stable like this, I'm fine with that. My worker's getting offline on my iOS. Okay, I'll check that later. So, but I like how the 3090 been performing. So let me know, guys, if your 3090 is looking pretty well. I know Extreme Will just posted that his 3090 doing nothing, but I did have it down for almost half a day, but picked up job again, and it's pretty looking very well. It's looking very well. It's looking like a 4090 or 1590 car job, to be honest. You know, where's 3090? I don't even see that in the list. Where did they drop it? I see 3090 Ti. Oh, right there. They're not even in demand, so I'm getting paid twice, and it's, I don't know why, to be honest. It's i9 processor, maybe a combination of processor, somebody like, I don't know. Anyways, that's it for my quick update there. I don't want to stay long, but yes, update your WSL file, and if you can download your update to 1.79 Salad, go to Discord and click and update the version there, or probably, I don't know, oh yeah, you can copy the link, email to yourself, and then update your machines there if you're doing remotely, I guess. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more of this content, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.